Alright guys, so I just started playing this game. It's called War Robots and I'm using Android mobile phone, and you can also download this in your iOS and you can also play this in your PC. So as you can see, I'm at level 18. You can see it in the top left corner. So this video is essentially just my tips from level 1 to level 10 or level 15. I believe that I have done a very good choices in terms of what robots to use, and I'm also giving you some tips that I've learned essentially. So first off, I've got these 3 robots right here. Oh, by the way, I'm making this video for tips so that you can spend your silver, gold, I would say, in the most effective way. Because you don't earn them that easily, especially the gold one. So that's why it's very important to not just, if you're just starting between level 1 to 15, to not really waste your resources on just buying random robots, and also leveling up. So I'm gonna start with this. So these are my 3 robots. So the first, right, the first robot, if you start level 1, if you just download this game from the very beginning, the first robot you'll get is this robot right here. This Trier, this one is the first robot you'll get. This is basically just for like training. It's like side wheels, if you're learning how to bike. It will teach you how to like move around, maneuver the robot. But it's a very boring robot, but it serves its purpose of like training you how to control or navigate left, right, walk, front, back, left, right, and also firepower. So this robot is like very slow and all, but you can practice. You'll have enemy robots who are also beginners, so you are well matched, and just earn your silver, earn your gold the more you play the game. And you also get this robot for in the beginning. This robot is a fun robot. This robot can jump like very high, and so you're basically just having fun jumping around. Although it has, I think, less HP. Oh, it has actually more HP, 48,000. So, I mean, this is a fun robot actually to use. So I would recommend, my tip is like, if you're starting level 1, living up to 2 to 3, just use this robot, I guess. This one instead of the other one. So this one is fun. You can jump around, and the jumping around ability is really key, because you're not just getting points or gold or silver by killing other robots, but you can also get points by getting the beacons. So in the field, in the war field, there are beacons. So you will notice them as like light shining straight upwards. So once you get closer to them, it will turn blue. It means like you got it, you got the beacon. So I highly recommend you use this bot so that you can easily go to those beacons. But obviously you need to pay attention of the enemies because they're gonna shoot you and then you're gonna die. So use this robot when leveling up to 2 to level 3, 4, 5 and all that stuff. And along the way you save your silver, your gold, and don't buy a robot until you can get this robot, this one. So, and another tip is don't level up or upgrade this robot if you're using it, or this robot if you're using it. Don't upgrade them, and don't beyond level 2. You can upgrade them like once only, I guess. I mean, like you could go further, but my recommendation is like you upgrade them once, because essentially you're not gonna be using this robot when you get level 10, when you can afford the robot that I was talking about, this robot, because this robot is more fun and effective. So again, my recommendation is that don't upgrade this robot more than once, I guess. And you can also have the option to upgrade the weapons. Just upgrade them until level 4. The reason being that I don't want you to upgrade this robots because one, you'll change the robot afterwards, and two, if you are upgrading the weapons beyond level 4, you will be matched with more skilled players, and you don't want that. You want to get training, to get resources as much as possible, until you get the robot that I would recommend, which is this one. So this robot, I believe, will cost you like gold. I forgot how many gold. It's probably 100 gold. And this robot is fun. So it can dash. So it can basically like move side to side, front, back in a really quick manner, so that you can avert the enemy's weapons and the enemy. So, but I highly this robot has really low HP, and you don't want to head-on bang other enemies, which means that this is more of like a sniper kind of robot. So you want to keep your distance because the missiles is more effective and will give a lot of damage to the enemy if it's from afar. Okay, so you don't want to be like in low range, medium range. You want to keep your distance like a sniper, and you can use your dash to evade the enemy's artillery. And yeah, so this robot would really flourish in like wide open spaces, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. So you want to buy that robot, and then the next one is this this robot. So this robot is like your reliable Captain America kind of robot. So the previous robot was like very specialized, like a sniper, and this one is like your plain vanilla Goldilocks, which it has really good HP, decent speed in terms of like walking, and the artillery is like very robust as well. It gives you a lot of damage within medium range and close range. So this one is like the robot that you use when you want to face the enemy head on, and it's really fun. Like it feels like you're Rambo. Like the artillery is really fun to watch, and it's this compared to this robot is like you cannot just like keep on like shooting, because it takes some time to reload the missiles. With this one, you'll have a lot of time to just shoot before it needs to get reload. So that's that. So again, when you are able to afford these two robots, I suggest, my tip is do your battles, and but again, you want to save money so that you can buy this big robot right here. So in terms of like leveling up, upgrading your robot, I suggest that you upgrade first the weapons instead of the robot, because like in the future, if you don't really like this robot anymore, and then you want to upgrade to better robots in terms of like damages and cool abilities, then you were not wasting your time upgrading the robot. So it's better to upgrade your weapons, because your weapons, you can essentially swap them to your new robots if you want, and so the weapon is still gonna be there, and the higher the upgrades of the weapons, the more damage it will give you. So the next robot that you want to save money for is this one, because this one is very expensive. It's like 1.7 million silver. So it would take you probably level 10 or near level 15 to get this robot. Let me see. So yeah, so this robot, as you can see, has really high HP. So essentially this robot is like a tank. So you use this robot to kill your enemies head on, but don't be fooled by your really high HP. If you're just alone there and then 6 robots are shooting at you, don't be a fool like that. Obviously 6 robots shooting at you'll just evaporate. But if you are with your team, then you'll be considered as a tank. So you'll be in front, I guess, and your team will be supporting you, and the artillery is also very good. Like it gives a lot of damage to enemy robots, and you have the ability to regenerate your health. So yeah, so this robot is pretty fun. So as you can see, I have 3 robots right now, and these they have each of them is unique and have special capabilities. You have the very small one, which is very agile and a sniper kind of ability, gives a lot of damage from afar and fun to use. You have your Captain America plain vanilla Goldilocks robot, which is the center, which really fun to use as well. And you have your biggest robot, which is like a tank. and which is also fun to use. It regenerates, so you would, if you're using this robot, you feel like you're invincible. But like I said, if 6 robots are shooting at you, you just evaporate. So yeah, I guess those would be my tips if you're just starting out. Again, like this is for me the best robots that you can get before level 15, and obviously going beyond level 15 from to 20 to 25, you're gonna have other robots on your sites, which you will have to save silver and gold for, and those are not expensive. I mean, like, not cheap. So right now I have to do a lot of battles to save resources to get those robots, but for now this is where the robots I've been using since I was level 10, I think, and now I'm level 18, and I am having a lot of fun with these robots. So hit me up if you have any questions. Hit me up, because I would like to know if you're also playing this game. And yeah, you can also buy silver with real money within this game. I guess that's how they monetize this. Another way they monetize this is that if you want free stuff like free silver, free gold, you will have to watch advertisements for those. So yeah, so either you watch the advertisements or you pay real money for your silver and gold and other items. Alright, so those are my tips. Enjoy the game. Peace out.